What's going on, everybody, and welcome to 69 Baja Outdoors. My name is George, and I'm going to start this video by apologizing for not getting too many videos out, or actually no videos at all here recently, other than a couple of shorts. I have been struggling, well, not struggling, but I've been working my tail off. My last day was Friday the 13th, which was a great day. Not because I was leaving work, but it was a good day at work. I will miss the people I worked with, and I'm definitely going to miss them. I love the job. It was great. But the wife and I are moving to sunny Florida, and I can't wait to get back to Florida. Actually, I'm tired of the cold. My buddy Cisco, Ellie, Dennis, I'm going to miss you guys something fierce, man. But well, definitely, I know Cisco, he spends some time in Florida, as well as Ellie. Dennis, maybe, I don't know yet, but we're definitely getting back together a couple of times, man. We'll get, some videos made. But I still have the beam. I've got one more video to do on this, and I just couldn't get to it. I tried and tried and tried. I couldn't get to it. I dropped the ball big time. At any rate, now it's too late. The wife and I are packing. I have to pack this garage in a week, or actually less than a week. But it's going to happen, believe it or not. Anyway, we're making good progress, but I wanted to let you guys know. And man, I can't wait. As soon as I get situated in Florida, we're going to be back and better than ever. So I wanted to wish y'all a Merry Christmas, a safe New Year, and until next time, y'all be good to one another, and we'll catch y'all on the flip side.